Welcome to part 9 of the Bootstrap in Web Form series. In this video, you will learn how to use Bootstrap models, lightweight pop-ups for showing forms, or information without reloading the page. Bootstrap models are perfect when you want to show or edit details without leaving the current page. They enhance the user experience by avoiding full page reloads. Here is the basic structure of a Bootstrap model. It includes a header, body, and footer. You can customize each section as needed. To open a model, add a button with the attributes databs toggle equal model and databs target equal hash my model. Place the model markup near the bottom of your page, usually right before the closing form or body tag. This ensures proper rendering. You can trigger the model from the server side button click. Use JavaScript to show the model and register the script from code behind using Script Manager. You can place ASP.NET controls inside the model such as text boxes and buttons. Bootstrap classes like form control make them look clean and styled. Models are great for editing user details or records. Instead of navigating to another page, show a quick form in a pop-up. The user stays on the same screen. After saving data, you can close the model using JavaScript. This gives a smooth experience without needing a full page refresh. Today, you learned how to integrate Bootstrap models in your Web Forms app for editing, viewing, and displaying dynamic content without leaving the page. In the next part, we will explore Bootstrap alerts, great for showing success, error, and information messages in a clean way. If you found this useful, please like, comment with your questions, and subscribe for more practical ASP.NET content. See you in the next one.